Freedom did not end in 1865. That was only the beginning. Across this country, they stepped into freedom with nothing but determination. They built towns, they built schools, they built churches, they built futures, they built anyway, from Eatonville to Mound Bayou to Nicodemus to Freedmen's Town, across this nation, they were building something bigger than survival. They were building freedom that would last. But freedom has never been guaranteed. It had to be protected, held together, passed down. Every generation inherited a question. Not how did we get free, but how do we stay free? Because if one of us is pushed back, we all feel it. If one of us loses ground, we all lose something. Unity was not optional. It was survival. Thou shalt stand together. An injury to one is an injury to all. Thou shalt never return to chains in mind, body, or spirit. Freedom is non-negotiable. This is not just history. This is inheritance. The story didn't end. It continues with us. The 10 Commandments after slavery. Watch this. Full film soon. Keep watching. From Chains to Change.